will be the next Manipur Chief Minister after N. Biren Singh's resignation? Hi, my name is Sneha Biswas and you are watching the Free Press Journal. Following the sudden resignation of Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh on Sunday, speculation has intensified regarding his successor. The abrupt departure has left many questioning who will take charge of the violence-hit northeastern state. While the Bharatiya Janata Party has yet to issue an official statement, several names have emerged as potential candidates for the top post. As the BJP deliberates on its next move, reports suggest that 5 key leaders were present during a private meeting with the party's Manipur in charge Sambit Patra. These individuals are seen as frontrunners for the chief ministerial post. Thokchom Satyabrata Singh, a strong contender for the position, Thokchom Satyabrata Singh has been a prominent figure in Manipur's political landscape. He was elected to the Manipur Legislative Assembly from the Yaiskul constituency in both 2017 and 2022. Currently serving as the Speaker of the Manipur Legislative Assembly, his leadership experience could make him a viable choice for the BJP. A 4-time MLA from the Nambol Assembly constituency in Bisnupur district, Basanta Kumar Singh serves as the Minister of Education in the second Biren Singh ministry. Having secured a seat in the 2022 Manipur Legislative Assembly election on BJP ticket, his political experience and ministerial portfolio strengthen his candidacy. A retired IPS officer turned politician Radhesham Singh has an extensive background in governance and law enforcement. He was elected to the Manipur Legislative Assembly from Herok in 2017 and re-elected in 2022. Formerly the Minister of Education, Labour and Employment, he later became an advisor to the Chief Minister. Notably, he received the President's Police Medal for Gallantry in 2006, adding to his credibility. Yumnam Khemchand Singh, a senior BJP leader, previously served as the Speaker of the Manipur Legislative Assembly from 2017 to 2022. In the second Biren Singh ministry, he holds key portfolios as the Cabinet Minister for Municipal Administration, Housing Development and the Education Department. His experience in legislative affairs and governance make him a key contender. Bishwajit Singh's political journey began with the Trinamool Congress, but he later switched to the BJP in 2015, winning the by-election under its banner. Currently serving as the Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Power, Agriculture and Science and Technology, he is seen as a strategic choice for the BJP. The BJP is reportedly evaluating a leader who can unify all communities amid the ongoing crisis in the state. The closed-door meeting attended by the frontrunners and BJP's Northeast coordinator Sambit Patra has added fuel to the speculation. With political uncertainty looming large over the state, all eyes are now on the BJP's next move and the imminent announcement of Manipur's new Chief Minister. Now I turn to you all and I want to understand from you all, who do you think will bag the top post? Share your inputs with us in the comment section below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Journal. Thank you for watching.